Hi, I need some help with my phone. Hello, what seems to be the problem? The screen is cracked and it won't turn on. I see. Can I take a look at it? Sure, here it is. Thank you. It looks like the screen needs replacing. I'll check why it won't turn on. Have you tried charging it? Yes, but it still doesn't work. Alright, it might be a battery issue. I'll run a quick diagnostic. This will take a few minutes. Okay, I'll wait. It seems the battery needs replacing as well. We can fix both the screen and the battery for £80. That's fine. How long will it take? It should be ready in about an hour. Great. I'll come back then. Perfect. I'll get started right away. See you in an hour. Thank you. See you soon. Hi, I'm back to collect my phone. Hello again. Your phone is ready. Here it is. Thank you so much. It looks good as new. You're welcome. If you have any other issues, feel free to come back. Will do. Thanks again. Have a good day. You too.